their students.
The Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, today virtually inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of various healthcare infrastructure projects in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Maisal Amprin Lingdaw inaugurated the Integrated Public Health Laboratory under PM Abhim at Pasteur Institute, Shillong. Speaking to the media, Dr. M. Amprin Lingdaw informed that the Government of India has given 7 projects to the state and it includes Critical Care Block CCB at William Nagar and Cleriat. She also informed that the Government of India is given infrastructure building for 5 Integrated Public Health Laboratory IPHL or testing center for the state.
Citizens spend a lot of money, out of pocket money, at the time of testing for investigation of certain diseases. Now these labs, 5 labs across the state of Meghalaya, will substantially reduce the out-of-pocket costs for investments in these testing facilities. You must have seen we now have state-of-the-art technology and they are able now to test and to be also surveilling. The surveillance nature of these labs is that they will be able to predict if there is an outbreak of certain diseases.